It all depends. And I hate giving those answers, but it really, really does. So it's going to depend on your overall margins of your business and also of the overall initial outcome that you're looking for your particular product. So I'll give you an example of that. Supposing I'm just launching a product onto Amazon and I want to test the product first, okay, to see if I can get any traction with it, to see if it will actually sell. Well, clearly, whilst I am focused on maximizing profitability, I'm also focused on testing the product to see if it will actually work. So my numbers will alter accordingly, and I may allocate, as I often do, a higher proportion of profit to shipping costs to get the product from China into Australia, for instance, as quickly as possible, so I can run the test and to see how it goes. So it's really going to depend, and Mike, you should do your business plan and see what your own tolerances are and your own profitability is for your particular product. That's going to alter on lots and lots of different variables, but clearly the less you can pay for shipping, the better. But for the most part, shipping costs are pretty fixed. The difference between different suppliers, different carriers for air freight is fairly negligible, and ditto for sea freight. It's fairly negligible, the differences between them. Between different suppliers, not between the actual shipping and air freight. Massive difference between those two things, usually 4 times more to ship by air. But between suppliers, it's fairly negligible. So there's that. And also, as I said, when I start a product onto Amazon, generally speaking, my first priority is, will it work? Have I done my due diligence, and does my due diligence stack up in the real world? Will the product actually sell? And so for the most part, I want to find out as fast as possible if I've nailed it and if the product will work. You want to find that out as quickly as possible, because if it doesn't, you just move on, get onto the next one. And in some respects, it's a bit of a numbers game on Amazon, certainly when it comes to picking those blockbuster products. It's just a bit of a numbers game. So what my strategy tends to be for my first order is either one of two things. Either I'm going to order domestically from a wholesaler and screw my profit margins up completely by ordering it from somebody and paying more per unit for the actual product, with the full knowledge that I'm just testing this out to see if it will work, and if it does work, then I can order from China and go through the entire route of buying it direct, yada yada yada. So there's that side of things. And then the other side of the coin is I will, generally speaking, order a 30-day supply of product initially via air freight, and the remaining 45 days of supply via sea freight. So I get my supplies there really, really quickly by air, just 30 days worth, and then I've got my rest of my supplies coming via sea. So I split it up to minimize the cost of sending the products over. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.